welcome to our VIP customers, Mr. Bokar, and all the distinguished board members to the Sanmina Huawei booth. It's so great to be here. We at Huawei have 3 areas. 5G is on, innovation inspiring new growth, and AI enabling intelligent operations. Our friendly staff are here to assist with any questions and are a wealth of information. Hello, sir. You look awfully like Sanmina's CEO. Mr. Bokar, are you? Oh my. Is that really you? Welcome to Huawei booth. Thank you. Oh boy, I'm so excited to meet you. It's been an amazing transition since arriving to planet Earth. Huawei have taught me so much about innovation and technology. Thank you for the opportunity, Mr. Bokar. I hope I make you and your team proud.
ما شاء الله، هذا أروع ثوب رأيته في حياتي.